Hello everyone and welcome to the second tutorial of RTool 3CLSP. If you've watched the first tutorial already, you know what the rules to follow and the steps to follow. You just need to switch your folder to Simple2. Now, for people who are here for the first time, what we want to do first is open up a terminal window on your operating system and clone the repository we have on the web page. After that, you're going to want to go to that repository. I already have cloned it on my PC, and as you can see, there's 3 folders. We're going to navigate to the second folder here called Simple2. There's 2 C files here which are interrelated, so you're going to want to do code dot, but first you have to make sure that you have a compile.json. Never forget that. So do a bear make, and there you go. So now you can do code dot to open up VS Code, but I already have it open here, so I'm just gonna go here, open up a folder, gonna go to Simple2. There you go. I'm gonna navigate to the first C file I find, make sure that the Clang D server started up. There you go. And I'm gonna do Control-Shift-P to open up the command palette. I'm gonna search for run 3C. I'm gonna click on it. And there you go. Now if you see, there's 3 problems in this file, program 1. And as you can see, the reasons for it, all 3 of them is unsafe cast. So we're going to try to use the second option this time so that we can get rid of all these problems at once. So remember, in the first tutorial, we chose only this pointer non-val. Now we're going to choose that to make this observation to all of the pointers with the same reason. Once we do that, everything gets done. And so you have successfully converted the file program 1, program 2, and there you go, the header file 2. Thank you so much for watching.